Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you every single way to take screenshots in Windows 11, all using only the free tools that come with Windows. No extra downloads, no complicated stuff. Ready? Let's jump in. Method number 1. Windows key plus print screen. Find the Windows key on your keyboard. Hold it down, then tap the print screen key. On some keyboards, it's labeled PrtSc, PrtScn, or even PrtScr. Your entire screen flashes white for half a second. That's Windows telling you, got it. The screenshot is now automatically saved as a PNG file in your Pictures folder, inside a subfolder called Screenshots. Let me show you where. Open File Explorer, click Pictures on the left, then open Screenshots. Look, every shot you take this way lines up here with names like Screenshot 1, Screenshot 2, super organized. No pasting, no saving, perfect when you're in a hurry or taking dozens of shots. Method number 2. This is the one you'll use 90% of the time. Windows plus Shift plus S. Hold Windows, hold Shift, tap S. Your screen dims slightly and this clean little toolbar pops up at the top center. First, the default, snipping area. That's rectangular snip. It's already selected. Your cursor turns into a cross. Just click and drag a perfect rectangle around anything. A photo, text, an error. Let go, boom. It's copied to your clipboard and a notification slides up from the bottom right. Second button, Window Snip. Click it, then click any open window, even if it's buried behind others. Windows grabs just that window. No taskbar, no desktop clutter. Perfect for multi-monitor setups or messy desks. Third, Freeform Snip. Click it, now draw any shape you want. Circle a meme, heart around a joke, whatever. After any snip, tap that notification in the bottom right. It opens the full Snipping Tool app to edit, annotate, or save. Method number 3. Open the full Snipping Tool app from the Start menu. Press Windows key, type Snipping Tool, hit Enter. The window looks almost the same, but now we have extra superpowers. Click the clock icon for delay. Choose 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. Why? Because sometimes you need to open a menu that disappears when you click away, like right-click menus or drop-downs. Pick 10 seconds, click New, now you have 10 full seconds to get ready. Countdown appears in the app. 3, 2, 1, then the toolbar pops up and you grab whatever you need. Perfect for tutorials or support tickets. While we're in the app, click the 3 dots at the top. Then Settings. Turn on Automatically Save Screenshots. Now every snip saves to your Screenshots folder and stays on your clipboard. Best of both worlds. Extra pro tip, want to make print screen open the snipping tool directly? Open Windows Settings, press Windows key plus I. Go to Accessibility, then Keyboard on the left. Scroll down and turn on Use the Print Screen key to open Screen Capture. Now, just tapping Print Screen once brings up the same toolbar as Windows plus Shift plus S. My fingers love this shortcut. One more bonus, the Snipping Tool can now record your screen as MP4 videos too. Click the camera icon, pick an area, hit Start. There you go. Every single screenshot method in Windows 11 explained step by step. Whether you need one click, total control, delays, or editing, Windows has you covered, and it's all free. If this video just saved you hours of frustration, please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new trick. Drop a comment below and tell me, which method surprised you the most? Or how many screenshots do you take in a day? I'm betting some of you are in the hundreds. That's all for today, tech lovers. Stay passionate, keep tinkering, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you soon!